हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 5 फ्री कोर्सेज ऑन एआई एंड चैट जीपीटी टू टेक यू फ्रॉम 0 to 100। इंट्रोडक्शंस टू एआई विद पाइथन, Harvard, AI for Everyone, Masters the Basic, IBM, Data in AI Fundamentals, Linux, Fine-Tuning Large Language Models, Deep Learning.ai, Artificial Intelligence Project. This video provides you with a list of free courses from trusted institutions such as Harvard, IBM, Deep Learning.ai, and more. So let's start. Introduction to AI with Python, Harvard. This is a 7-week course at self-paced learning to learn about using machine learning in Python for artificial intelligence. In this course, you will learn about the different concepts and algorithms of modern artificial intelligence. You will dive into real use cases such as handwriting recognition and machine translation. Not only you will learn about it, but you will also have the opportunity to get hands-on with project, which will allow you to apply the theory-based knowledge and how it applies to different aspects of machine learning and AI and incorporate them into your own Python program. By the end of the course, you will have immense knowledge of libraries used in machine learning and the principles of artificial intelligence so that you can build your own intelligence system. Moving to next, AI for Everyone. Master the Basic, IBM. AI is everywhere and everybody is talking about it. And if you don't know a lot about it, this course is for you. Of course, you will master the basics of artificial intelligence as well as understand its application and key concepts such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. You will also dive into ethical concerns surrounding AI, which is very popular topic at the moment. With the knowledge you receive from this course, you will also receive expert advice about starting a new career in AI. Moving to the third one, Data and AI Fundamentals, Linux. Linux is an operating system, and with this course that they provide, you will learn about the fundamentals of artificial intelligence as well as an overview of the Linux Foundation, AI and data project ecosystem. This is a 10-week course, self-paced learning, which is suited for anybody who has an interest in AI, regardless of the professional background and level of technical knowledge. This course will offer you an entrance into the Linux Foundation AI and data ecosystem, which is relevant for open source tools to continue developing new data and AI skills. As mentioned prior, this course is beneficial to anyone who comes from a variety of industries such as finance, manufacturing, and many more. With this course, you will be able to see the different career options that are available in the family of AI technologies. So next, moving to the fourth one, fine-tuning large language models, deep learning.ai. Some of you may already have good knowledge based on AI and large language models, LLMs, and may be looking into perfecting your skills or learning something new. This course with deep learning.ai will go through the fundamentals of fine-tuning and LLM in a quick 1-hour course. You will learn about how fine-tuning differs from prompt engineering and when to use both, as well as get practical experience using real data sets and how you can apply these tools and techniques to your own project. If you are familiar with the Python language and have a good understanding of deep learning frameworks such as PyTorch and the applications of fine-tuning, this course is for you. Moving to the next one, Artificial Intelligence Project. When it comes to the tech world, there are a lot of great resources out there for you to learn and develop new skills. However, the important thing to remember is that you have to apply these skills in real life scenarios in the form of projects. This course has been designed to help learners implement the solution and models of artificial intelligence to the problems. You will learn about artificial neural networks, ANNs, time series forecasting, chatbots, and more. So read this before you take any free data science course. For more information, link has been given in its description box. You can see from there. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.